Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Squad Busters Barbarian King skin in Clash of Clans. First, ensure your Clash of Clans account is connected to a Supercell ID. This is a fundamental requirement for the special event. This unique cosmetic item can only be acquired during a specific, limited-time promotional period, so understanding the steps now is crucial. Make sure you are prepared to participate once the event becomes live, as it offers a fantastic opportunity to customize your hero. To begin, verify that both your Clash of Clans account and your Squad Busters account are securely linked to the very same Supercell ID. This crucial step creates the bridge between your game progress, allowing the system to recognize your eligibility. You can easily manage these connections by accessing the settings menu within each respective game. Double-checking this connection beforehand will save you time and prevent any potential issues when claiming your reward. Next, you must achieve a significant progression milestone within Squad Busters to become eligible for the skin. Specifically, you need to reach player level 8 by actively engaging with the game. This involves participating in multiple battles, collecting new characters, and completing various in-game quests. Consistent play will allow you to accumulate the necessary experience points relatively quickly. Reaching this level unlocks your eligibility for the exclusive Barbarian King cosmetic. After successfully linking your accounts and reaching player level 8 in Squad Busters, return to your Clash of Clans game. The Barbarian King skin will typically become available for claiming within the in-game shop or a dedicated event tab. Look for a notification or a specific banner indicating its availability. Simply tap to claim it, and your new cosmetic will be added to your hero's customization options. Enjoy your newly acquired Barbarian King appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.